monitoring background. Alright, today at 12, what date is it? December 13 or 14 or 15? I don't know, forget the date, but we're monitoring activity, Van Allen Bell Steel Magnetic Field Activity Solar Flux Index. We're doing some here. Remember, there is some kind of energy coming in. These bands have been abandoned, television bands actually. Let me tune it up and down a little bit, I guess, right? Well, there's always something going on in the electromagnetic spectrum. Let's take a look. Also, open air antenna. Bring it back down, stuff. That's 4 megacycles. Up to covering up to 10. Try and enhance that a little bit. Oh yeah. That's interesting too. Now normally 27 megacycles gets active around this time for several hours and drifts away. These are the balancing point. The citizens band actually down here. There's a citizens band from Siba. So, I got it here. Let's take a look. Pick it up. I use this for portability, really, but now normally I would do a more advanced system with chart recorders. Well, this is just a simple test. Turn this on. Not much happens. I'll tell you what. Oh, a little bit RF. I'm using fundamental frequencies and that kind of thing here. Make sure that's turned off. No? Not yet. Okay, I guess we go the other way to turn off, right? That's turned off. Now we get to the real stuff, which is ELF. Something's trying to get through here. Oh, interesting. It's kind of intermittent. Back away. Tune again. kind of wide open to any kind of frequencies. These old black and white TV sets, which is good. Now, interesting. So covering a multitude of different bands. Let me sneak around here and go to the VLS system. Got something going on that's kind of intriguing. VLF and ELF, submarine communications, background radiation, Earth vibrational, atmospheric, Van Allen belts moving around. Take a look here. Monitor this a little bit. Got a lot of VLF stuff probably up here, huh? Okay. Especially in this section here. That's for transmission and reception for deep dive. We're doing advanced research. This is the temporary testing for signals. Something going on there, a bit static. Could be electrical storm or activity in the upper bands. E-layer or F-layers activity. There's always some activity going on in the upper ionosphere and that kind of thing. So. Pretty classy cliff, huh? Yeah. All right. Tuning a few things. There we go. That's a bit odd. Whoa, what's going on? Thunderstorm? No. Don't know. What? Clean this up a bit. Oh, a bit odd. Let's see. I have an idea. What if it touches metal? No, nothing. Well, I think that's enough for a test of atmospherics today. I normally go to WWV and see what the solar flux index is, but F layer, E layers, probably because of the sun movement. Oh, it's cloudy today, so. Alright, so that's the end of that one. I think, hold on. Well, I think it was checking hydrogen line, but it could take a while to set that up, but I'll try that maybe later. See what goes on out there. Hydrogen line, 1420, 1420. We stopped whenever it was. Okay, well, it's been interesting. So, conclusion, we'll go around here. I heard something else too, that's weird. Okay, 12, 10. I was 27 megacycles in that range. Because other frequencies get more active due to solar flux index. E layers keep changing, sun activity, Earth activity. It's quite interesting. A lot of activity in the Earth on the VLF, ELF. They got storms, geomagnetic movements, solar flux index, E layers, Van Allen belts moving around a little bit, communications through Van Allen belts, ELF, ELF, and other things. Mostly you pick up generators, transformers, electrical sparks from automobiles, cars, trucks, sometimes. Definitely earthquake noise. That can go on. Earthquake noise can happen for weeks before there's a tremor or earthquake, which I've noticed in the 70s with the inline radio, meaning no transformers, vacuum tubes inline to the line voltage. Makes a very sensitive earthquake detector, but I can pick them up here too, which I have done and even made videos on it before they even happened. So anyway, okay, this is a long one, 14 minutes. Okay, well, I'm gonna go.